How to create a survey using SurveyMonkey. With SurveyMonkey, you can create a survey, customize it to match your brand, then use their genius tool to check your questions are effective or make any changes that they suggest. After that, you can send it out through the platform and track insights and responses. Ready to get your first one started? Let me guide you through it. First, head to the SurveyMonkey site. Create an account, then click Create at the top right corner of the page. You'll then find ready-to-go survey templates or some inspiration for building your own. By searching for the relevant one, then clicking on the one that you need. You can learn more about it, such as the number of questions and number of time needed to complete. Click Use this template if you find one that fits. You can edit the questions as needed later on. If the templates aren't quite right, head back to the top of the page and click Start from Scratch. Pick a name and a category that it fits into. You can then paste in some questions you have already written, or you can think them up on the next page. If you're adding questions manually, you can make use of SurveyMonkey's incredible question bank. These are questions written by their survey scientists in a way that reduces bias and gets the most accurate responses. When you've found one that fits, click to add it into the survey or add your own. One handy tool is the page break function. If you head to the scroll bar on the left and scroll to the bottom, you can add a page break at any point. Particularly useful if you have clear-cut question categories. Then once your questions are set, you can add some smart functions through the logic section found to the left. This allows you to add follow-up questions if a participant answers in a certain way. If someone rates your customer service as a 4 out of 10, the logic function allows you to then add a responsive pop-up question such as, in what ways could we improve? To do so, hover over a question and click the logic button. Fill out the if, thens, and you're all sorted. Next, head to the Themes tab to change the appearance. SurveyMonkey has multiple preset designs, but you can adjust the colors, add a logo, and make it as brand specific as you'd like. You can also save your theme once you're done so you can use the same one in the future, instead of having to make a new one every time. After that, the genius will rate your survey and give you ways in which it could be improved. If all is looking good, simply click through and decide how you want to source your responses. Then sit back, relax, and wait for the data to roll in.